I automated the entire month of Instagram posts, the writing, the caption, the design, the image, the carousel, all these just using AI. And I don't have to open Instagram or Canva again. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I did it and you will be able to copy it for free. These two n8n workflows are the core of this automation. This one creates the posts and add it to the sheet, and this one picks them up, design them, creates the image and publish it to the Instagram. Here is the sheet of posts that AI already wrote. My only job is to review this and mark it ready. So I'll just mark it ready and I'll just click on execute workflow. Now I will refresh this screen and we have a new post. And look at this post. It has the complete captions with hashtag, multiple slides with numbering second, third, fourth, and fifth, all step by step with my branded username. And now let me show you how this is built from start to finish. Workflow 1 is the writer. This right here is the config. You just add the prompt that you want to use for writing the posts. So I have given how I want, and you can use this to differentiate your posts. You can even give examples and show it to your old posts. You can tell it what type of posts you want. You can also define how many posts you want, the format, the columns, and then this LLM node is going to use whatever AI model you have attached to it. You can switch the model by deleting this and adding a new one, and it will use this model to generate these posts. And now let's generate some new 15 posts and see how it looks. Now the result we got from AI is in the text format, but this is a JSON that can be parsed. So our next node is simply going to traverse through this text and give the complete JSON output with all the posts. I just used Claude to write this code. I don't even know what is written here. It's, I think, only parsing the string into a very readable JSON and giving us what pillar, what hook, what caption, what is the hashtag, and then the full caption is going to have the caption with the hashtag and with the status ready to review. Now let's write it into the sheet. If I execute the sheet node, make sure you have chosen the right document and right sheet and map the columns with these columns. And then when you execute this, this is going to write the sheet. Yeah, you see there are 15 new posts into our sheet. Now let's try to read one of them. This is the single, the act as framework will fix your boring AI output. I can also come here and remove one of the caption, let's say. So I have 3, 4, 5 captions now, and I mark this one as ready. So now the words are done. These are just text in the spreadsheet, but Instagram needs images. And that's where our second workflow comes into the picture. But first we need two quick things. One is a free meta developer app, which will help us post to Instagram. I've demonstrated the whole process step by step in my last video, how you can generate token and create app. You can watch this video, link somewhere up here, and you just need the first 3-4 minutes of that video. And then second is this tool, HCTI API, which you can get started for free, and you get 50 images per month for free. You can use HCTI API to create images from any HTML. For example, let's say this is the HTML. If I go to images, it can render this image with this text. This you can post onto Instagram. Let's see how. Workflow 2 here is scheduled to run every day at 10 a.m. and what it is going to do is it needs the config. Here you will define the user ID and Instagram token and API version that is needed, which you will get from Meta Developer app. Once you have this config, the next step is to fetch all the rows which are ready. For example, this row 22 is saying ready here. This, when I will run, it will give us this ready post. Now I have this one post which can be executed. Now this row right here is going to re-verify the status, and when you execute it, it will only output those rows from the sheet which have ready status. And if you have, let's say, multiple posts which are ready to post, this one is going to filter and give you only one post. This was the limit node, and now this if node is going to see if the post you want is a single post or a carousel. Now there are two different paths. For carousel, you need to generate multiple images and post. And for single image, you just need to generate one image. And the template are also different for them. Now, before we go ahead, Here are the templates I have generated. One is the hook card, second is the stat card. I asked Claude to generate these templates. It gave me the HTML and CSS with the placeholders. These 6 templates: tip list, carousel cover, the carousel content slider, and hot take. Now these 3 nodes right here are responsible for choosing the template and filling it with the content. So we used the single picker. So here it's going to either take the hot take or hook depending on what pillar it is. You see the pillar is also filled here. And then this node right here, it has the base HTML and CSS. Then all the template is defined here: the tip template, the hook template, the slide template, the hot take template, the cover for the carousel, etc. And this is going to simply add the content into the placeholder texts. And when you will run this step, you should get the HTML and CSS, which will be responsible for the image generation. Now, HCTI API here will be used to generate the image. After you sign up onto HCTI API, you can click here and go to your organization. If you have not, you'll get an option to create, and you can click on API key here. This will show you the API key ID and API secret, which you can copy and add it to the basic auth section. You can add the ID here and the secret here. This auth can be saved into the credentials, so you don't have to worry about it next time. And then we'll use this URL, v1 images, with HTML and CSS generated. You can also define the font you want and click execute. This is going to give you the link that contains the image. Let's jump onto this image, and this is what it is created. The act as framework will fix your boring AI output. Now that I have our image, the next step is to post it. Now we have 2 branches again to post the image. One is for the single image and second is for the carousel. This one is single, just needs to stage one image and publish it, and then update the status of the posting into the sheet. And carousel, what it needs is it needs to add all the images, and then it needs to create a carousel, and then it needs to publish. So there is one additional step in the carousel. It will, after executing this if node, we see it is going to the single path, and let's publish a single image with caption. Click execute. This node right here is going into this URL and giving us this post ID that it is staged. Then we'll wait for a few seconds, and this one is going to this media publish, and this is going to give the exact post ID. Now this is posted, but our status is not updated. Let's run this node, show that the status is also moved to publish. Yes, the status is moved to posted with the timestamp of when it was posted and the media ID. And this is our Instagram page. It has currently 4 posts. Let's refresh. And it has 5th post with the caption, 5 caption. We removed one to see how the edit works as well in the sheet. So this is the post. And if you are still watching this video, it's right time you click on the like button to let me know it helped you, and subscribe for more AI related content, and let me know in the comments below if you need any help with the workflow. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.